Assalamu alaikum. So this comment got me this morning. So I have so many of these comments, okay? Now, what I'm going to tell you may blow your mind. Everyone blasts Muhammad for marrying a 6-year-old. In the Torah, a little girl called Rubica married a man called Isaac. Their age for marriage was 3. She was 3 years old. She couldn't even wipe her bum, mashallah. But she was married. Now, bringing it back to Christianity, something that I learned, that I never knew that fact about the Torah, and I never knew this fact about Mary and Joseph, even though I went to a C of E primary school and I went to a Catholic secondary school, a private Catholic secondary school. I was never taught this, never. But yeah, I was made to go to confession, all the rest of it. The age gap between Mary and Joseph. Do you know what it is? Mary was 14, 15. Joseph was 90. 76-year age gap. So here we are with 3 holy books, 3 lots of child brides. So you just want to blame Muhammad, but it's looking like it was a bit of a thing all the way back then. Yeah? But none of you is going to want to believe that, are you? So feel free. There's this little thing called Google. Google it, inshallah. Just Google it. Because I'm not lying. I don't lie. That's the one thing I do not lie. So give it a little Google. Have a good morning. I'm sorry if I've ruined your day with my facts, but I'm not sorry. Alhamdulillah.